Hey everybody, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. So it's been a hot minute since we've done any cooking videos, but today we are going to make some chicken tortilla soup or tortilla soup, whatever you want to say. So I have 2 chicken breasts shredded up in my Dutch oven. I'm going to add some onion. So that's just 1 medium onion, finely diced up. Normally I would put 3 cloves of garlic. I don't have that, so I'm going to use the minced garlic. 1 1/4 cups of water. 10 1/2 ounces of chicken stock. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of oregano. We're going to add in 1 can of diced tomatoes, juice and all. Now this chicken tortellini soup, not chicken tortellini, chicken tortilla soup, is a comforting chicken soup with shredded chicken, black beans, corn, and it's quick to make and it's full of flavor. So when it's done, you can garnish it with fresh avocado, Monterey Jack cheddar cheese. You can put you should put crushed tortilla chips. You can use green onions on top or sour cream or all of the above. Now we're going to add in our black beans, which have been drained and rinsed. So they're just the black beans, no juice and none of that syrupy stuff. So we're going to add those in. And we're going to add in a can of whole corn, or you can use fresh corn if you have it. Again, this has been drained, so you're just adding the corn in. And then you can add some green chilies, but I have jalapenos, which will work just fine. How much you add depends on how much spice you like. I'm just going to go with this much, and then people can put extra in if they'd like. And that's about 1.5 tablespoons. We're just going to stir this around. Now you can do a couple things. You could have created this in your crock pot and put it on low and left it cook all day. You can do it in the oven. I did it in my Dutch oven pan here, so therefore I could put it in my oven, but I'm just going to put it on simmer on the stove and just get this all heated up. In the meantime, we're going to make some fresh tortillas to put in the soup when it's done. So I have this over here. I just have it on very low, and I'm just going to put the lid on it and let it simmer away. I just love this Paris Hilton cast iron enamel pot, and it is just the perfect size for us. It's only 4 quarts. I only did a small amount of tortillas, but you just take the circles, you cut them into strips, and then you're going to take them over and you're going to put them right into the grease. 350 for just a couple minutes. So you don't want to overcrowd them. You want to give them plenty of space. You should let them dry out for about 15-20 minutes before you put them in here to take some of the moisture out. And then you just dip them out when they're done, and you put them on your little pulling racks and add some salt. There you have it. I'm going to try one. That's good. All right, so let's take a peek at this. Oh, smells good. No, it's not gross. Well, I don't know. I have not ate it yet, but it smells good. Look at that. Beans and jalapenos and corn and lots of chicken. We're going to get a... Jalapenos in there? Yep. We're going to get a bowl of this. Get it all done up. Got a bowl ready. Put some sour cream in here. Now sprinkle it with some cheese. And some fresh homemade tortilla chips. Yeah, look at that, folks.